What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the video and to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you the best sound system for your BMW. Let's go. So a little bit about me and my background and why this is important with my decision in getting this specific sound system. I have a music background. I used to play at my worship team at a church. I used to do drums for a very long time. So I'm a drummer. I love music. I love rhythm. I love all that encompasses music. I used to be a sound engineer for quite some time. I used to run and operate sound at my university when I was a student. And I love clean, good sound. Now, in retrospect, I did have a Jeep Cherokee and I put in three 15-inch kicker subwoofers with a 1000 watt RMS amplifier. It was disgusting. I put in crazy tweeters. I don't know what I was thinking. It was the craziest thing I've ever done in my car. And I gotta tell you, I almost blew out my eardrums. I mean, you know, you ever you drive around and then you see a car next to you and you can obviously hear their subwoofer, but you also hear the rattling, just vibrations of their car. I mean, guys, look, I was into that, but I don't want that for my BMW. I mean, it's a BMW. I don't want my windows to vibrate. So I want a clean sound that I can hear the kick drum nice and crisp and punchy. I want clarity and something that I can just really enjoy, a high fidelity type of sound in my car while I'm driving with my wife. So that's what I'm looking for. And with that in mind, let's dive in to what sound system I am recommending to all of you. By the way, this video is sponsored by Bavsound, so make sure you check them out. If you want to get yourself a system like I am, go hit them up, send them an email, tell them you saw this video, and I'm sure they can help you out with something. So let's dive in. I'm going to show you what kit I purchased. Let's go. All right, so we are recording. So hopefully this works. So we are at bavsound.com, and what we're going to do, since we started off, you can do a couple of things, right? You can either call them, the number's up there, give them a call, let them know what car you got, and they can possibly help you out. We're gonna zoom out to, there you go. So give them a call, let them know you saw this video. Again, Brian Alvarez with Rad Bavarian, and I'm sure they can help you out with something, right? I can't really make promises, but they're phenomenal people. The customer service is just real great. So let's start off and get started with choosing the right sound for your car. So right off the bat, you're gonna obviously go, I'm new here, so build your kit, right? And what we're gonna do, and if you drive a BMW F30 like I am, we are going to go to your vehicle, obviously BMW, but they also have options for Mini and Toyota, the Supra, which is pretty dope, right? So we're gonna choose 2016 3 Series, because I have a 3 Series and it's a sedan. And we're gonna go next. Next, here's a pretty cool thing, and if you're still unsure, I would actually do some research or just give them a call and find out based off your VIN number, which system you have, right? You have bass, hi-fi, or Harman and Kardon. Now, a little bit about Harman and Kardon. I absolutely love Harman and Kardon. They're great quality, but from time to time, I've experienced later models to have it go out. Some speakers, the tweeters blow out, the woofer blows out. They're still considered a factory level type of sound system. They're not meant to really, I don't want to speak bad about them because I love their products and how it sounds, but after time and time, it wears out, it blows out, and it just doesn't sound that great. On some models, it doesn't sound that great. My father-in-law has a 340i, and he has Harman and Kardon. It sounds phenomenal, but I've been in other cars with Harman and Kardon, and it doesn't sound that great. I really believe that Bavsound is like a super upgrade version of what Harman and Kardon should be on the base level side. So anyways, my car, the F30 I have, it is hi-fi standard. Surprisingly, right? High fidelity is a pretty good quality standard of sound. So I don't know, most models after 2010 and some 2011 come with a high fidelity standard sound system in BMWs. So hey, we're getting quality here. So we're going to choose high fidelity and go next. Select your kit that best fits you. So here we go. What I am ordering for my car and what Bavsound sent over to me is the Stage 1 BMW speaker upgrade and also the Bavsound Ghost BMW underseat subwoofer. Now, I don't know if it's Bavsound or Bavsound. I mean, Bav, I don't know. Anyways, correct me in the comments. I'm gonna get trolled. I know I am. So yeah, I got these two items. I didn't get the amplifier just yet. I might want it in the future. I want to see how much bass and like just clarity and punchiness I get from these two items itself. I mean, I'm getting the full woofer and tweeter system along with subwoofers that go under my seats. So I don't know. I'm kind of excited because if these two things is enough for me, I'm good. But if I want more, I may just throw in that Revenant Pro amplifier because it's dope. I mean, it throws in a lot more power, obviously. There's a lot more ohms throwing in there, and it's gonna be just dope, right? I mean, you add an amplifier, you could expect a crazy amount of sound just coming out of your system, right? So I'm gonna add both of these items to the cart and go next. Next, I do need this underseat subwoofer toolkit because you can buy it on Amazon, but you don't wanna get the wrong tool. So I recommend going with what they recommend and just throw it in, add it to the cart. Bavsound Wave window stick. Bavsound Wave window sticker pack of 3. Guys, get them too, because these decals are gonna look dope and people are gonna know that you got them from Bavsound, right? So why not? I'm gonna throw in some decals. And if you wanna get the plate, get the plate. If not, it's cool. Decals would do it, right? So I think I'm good. So now I'm gonna go next. And here you go. So this is what's in my cart right now. Some decals, the subwoofer toolkit, the woofers, the Ghost subwoofers, and the Stage 1 BMW speaker upgrade. I'm excited, guys. This is gonna be a game changer on my vehicle. And guys, I'm telling you, I'm not into that whole like crazy bass type of sound, especially on a BMW. I think BMWs are classy, they're dope, and they should be treated like that. So I don't want to sound like this. Right? I could have done that. I could have chosen JBL, Kicker, Sony, X-Plods, I mean, you name it, but I wasn't going for that type of sound. I want clarity with a manufacturer that specializes on German parts, specifically for BMWs. So guys, hit them up, tell them you saw this video, Rad Bavarian, and I will see you in the next video. There's more videos coming up soon, so especially with Bavsound and what they sent me, I'm excited for the next upcoming videos. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification. And thank you so much to Bavsound for sending me this sound system. I am excited and I am stoked. So guys, I'll catch you in the next video.